I would be a police officer. I want to safeguard my country from all the crimes. Thank you. My name is Lana. If I would be Elsa, I will be the most beautiful queen. I will grow myself emotionally, mentally strong. Thank you, everyone. If I would be a doctor, I want to help and care the sick people like Corona warriors. Junior KGE students will tell you about our friends. Please be with us. If I would be an Elsa, I would be the snow queen. And I like to do the magic of the snow. And I like to wear a beautiful blue dress. We are boss of the company. I can grow my business a lot. Thank you. My name is Charles. If I will be little singer, I will be honest policeman. I will fight the criminals to show my city. I am supervisor teachers and my dear friends. Today, Junior KTB is going to perform assembly on if I would be Chota Bheem. I will be brave and strong and intelligent. I will solve everyone's problem and eat lots of laddus. Thank you, everyone. My name is Rita Thakkar.
પછી
If would be Spider-Man,
આવી લાગતો
I will like to fly in the air with my wings.
બિલ્ડિંગ ટુ
So,
વન બિલ્ડિંગ ટુ અનધર
one building to another.
હા પછી I would
I would
હા like to help people
I will help people who are in danger.
પછી
My color is red and blue. Thank you. My name is Aditya Sakasevaivadia. I will be very heavy. I can be the super strong.